Welcome to THT Design Channel. I'm THT, a designer and researcher of homes and living spaces. I am happy to share pictures and knowledge about the house with everyone. Imagine a haven of tranquility, where modern simplicity meets rustic charm. This modern rustic wooden bedroom design invites relaxation and rejuvenation, offering a perfect escape from the everyday. Centerpiece Serenity, Rustic Retreat. The focal point is a platform bed crafted from reclaimed wood, its natural imperfections and variations in tone telling a story of time and nature. The low profile and clean lines create a sense of modern simplicity, warmth and texture. Exposed beauty. Exposed wooden beams overhead, perhaps painted white for a touch of modernity, add architectural interest and warmth. They connect visually with the bed frame and create a sense of spaciousness. Soft and inviting, luxurious comfort. A plush oversized comforter in a neutral tone, like linen or white, drapes invitingly over the bed. Textured throw pillows in earthy hues and a chunky knit blanket add a touch of cozy luxury. Modern touches, nightstand contrast. Sleek nightstands with clean lines and metal legs flank the bed, creating a stylish contrast to the rustic wood elements. This interplay of textures keeps the design modern and visually interesting. Artful accents, woven warmth. A woven rug made from natural fibers like jute or wool warms the floor and adds a touch of rustic texture. It complements the wooden elements while providing softness underfoot. Metallic accents, light and shine. Metallic accents like brushed nickel or brass lamps or light fixtures add a touch of modern elegance. They balance the rustic elements and create a touch of sophistication. Finishing touches, live edge charm. Incorporate a small side table or stool made from live edge wood. This showcases the natural beauty of the wood and adds a unique, organic element to the space. Nature's touch. Greenery plays a vital role. Hanging planters with trailing pothos or a monstera plant on a woven stand add pops of life and connect the space to nature. Overall ambience, this modern rustic wooden bedroom design is a harmonious blend of natural textures and clean lines. It's a space that feels calming, inviting, and effortlessly stylish, perfect for unwinding after a long day or enjoying a lazy morning in bed. A rustic bedroom with modern wood elements offers a unique and compelling combination, providing a space that's both cozy and refreshingly modern. Here are some reasons why you might choose this design direction for your sanctuary: warmth and tranquility. Rustic charm. Wood brings a sense of warmth and natural beauty to a bedroom. The variations in tone and texture inherent in rustic elements create a calming and inviting atmosphere, perfect for relaxation and sleep. Modern edge with timeless appeal, enduring style. Rustic design elements never go out of style. They offer a sense of heritage and connection to the past. Pairing them with modern wood furniture creates a space that feels fresh. Current and effortlessly stylish. Serene escape. Focus on natural materials. This design approach emphasizes the use of natural materials like wood and textiles. This creates a healthy and grounding environment, promoting relaxation and restful sleep. Durability and low maintenance. Built to last, high-quality wood furniture is known for its durability. With proper care, it can last for generations. Modern wood pieces are often designed with clean lines and minimal fuss, making them easy to maintain. Airy and bright ambience. Modern touches. Modern design principles often favor clean lines and light, airy spaces. Combining this with natural wood elements can create a bedroom that feels bright, spacious, and uncluttered, ideal for promoting a sense of calm, versatility and personalization. Adaptable design. The beauty of this style lies in its adaptability. You can lean more towards the rustic side with reclaimed wood and exposed beams, or create a more modern feel with sleek wood furniture and minimalist decor. Unique expression. Modern wood comes in a variety of styles, from light and Scandinavian-inspired to dark and dramatic. This allows you to create a bedroom that reflects your unique personality and taste. Value and investment. Long-lasting beauty. high-quality wood furniture is an investment that can appreciate in value over time. It adds character and charm to your bedroom, making it a desirable feature for potential buyers. Overall, a rustic bedroom with modern wood elements offers a perfect blend of warmth, functionality, and timeless style. It creates a comfortable and inviting space that's perfect for relaxation and rejuvenation, while reflecting your appreciation for natural materials and modern design. Here's a roadmap to transform your bedroom into a haven of rustic charm and modern simplicity with beautiful wooden elements, planning and inspiration. 1. Define your rustic modern mix. Browse magazines, websites like Pinterest, and online home tours to find inspiration. Do you crave a light and airy Scandinavian vibe with light wood tones, or a cozy cabin feel with darker, richer woods? Determine the balance between rustic and modern that best suits your taste. 2. Measure and sketch. Before diving into furniture selection, grab a measuring tape and sketch a layout of your bedroom. Consider furniture placement, traffic flow, and the most suitable spot for your bed, often the focal point. 3. Budgeting. Modern wood furniture can be an investment, so establish a realistic budget up front. This will guide your choices for furniture, lighting, and decorative accents, choosing key pieces. 4. Statement bed frame. Select a platform bed frame made from reclaimed or high-quality wood. Look for clean lines and a low profile for a modern feel, but embrace the natural imperfections and variations in tone for a touch of rustic character. 5. Nightstand contrasts. Opt for sleek nightstands with clean lines and metal legs. This creates a stylish contrast to the rustic wood bed frame and adds a touch of modern polish, balancing textures and materials. 6. Soft and inviting bedding. Layer your bed with a luxurious oversized comforter in a neutral tone like white or linen. Add textured throw pillows in earthy hues and a chunky knit blanket for a cozy and inviting feel. 7. Woven warmth. Incorporate a large woven rug made from natural fibers like jute or wool. This warms the floor, adds a touch of rustic texture, and complements the wooden elements. 8. Live edge details. Consider incorporating a unique side table or stool made from live edge wood. This showcases the natural beauty of the wood in its organic form and adds a touch of rustic character. Lighting for ambience. 9. Layering the light. Combine ambient lighting with task lighting to create a warm and inviting atmosphere. Consider modern pendant lights or sconces for general lighting and sleek table lamps for reading nooks. Natural touches. 10. Bringing nature in. Add pops of life with hanging planters featuring trailing pothos or a monstera plant displayed on a woven stand. This connects the space to nature and complements the natural wood tones. Finishing touches. 11. Rustic accents. Carefully chosen rustic accents can elevate the design. Think throw pillows with a plaid pattern, a chunky knit blanket, or a reclaimed wood picture frame. Don't overdo it, a few well-placed pieces are key. 12. Artwork that speaks to you. Select artwork that complements your overall aesthetic. Rustic landscapes or abstract pieces with earthy tones can tie the design together. Remember, quality over quantity. Invest in high-quality wooden furniture pieces built to last. Embrace natural light. Make the most of natural light by keeping windows uncluttered and choosing light-colored curtains. Personalize your space. Don't be afraid to incorporate pieces that reflect your personality and style. This is your sanctuary, so make it feel like you. By following these steps and unleashing your creativity, you can design a modern rustic wooden bedroom that offers a perfect blend of warmth, comfort, and modern style. It will be a space that promotes relaxation and rejuvenation, while reflecting your appreciation for natural materials and modern design. Please comment below to share your favorite home design style. In addition, you can refer to some images and videos about designs on my channel to get more ideas for your home. Thanks for watching our video. Subscribe to the channel to follow the latest design trend videos. Don't forget to like and share the video if you like it.